everyone's here and in Zoom meeting, and who are watching in our PhD Facebook page. I am Tavi, Chirasuvan Tavi, the director of PhD program in quality of life for persons with disability, Ratsuda College, Mahidol University. I would like to welcome all of you to online open house session of person with disability, a program of person with disability for the Ratsuda College. The first honorable is the Professor Dr. Kelly Robert. She is as Executive Director of Institute of Human Development, Northern Arizona, and also she worked surrounding about the transition service or the field disability over 30 years. Her work has included teaching inclusive setting, research relating individuals with disability, and transition from high school to post-secondary school education. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day in Arizona and a good night in Thailand today. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Amazing. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.